Our team is Chasebot. Emmanuel is Shuto. Our project is to make a car follow an object, and to do that we use a camera to get the position of the object and use an FPGA and the motor driver to drive the car. My part of the project is to get an image or a scene and from the image compute the radius and the position of the object. To do that, I have to do cross thresholding, and I do that by first converting the color to a color space which is better for color detection, which is RGB to HSV. After doing that, I basically have like a scene of which look like this, where I have the black and the object. Then from that I compute the position and the size.
So my part of the project was to build the hardware of the car and the FSM of the system. So first, we have the state where we can configure the object that we wanted to follow. By clicking the pixel of the object that we want, it shows you the position and the size of the object using the color detection. And after that, if you're sure that this is the object that we want to follow, we can confirm it. And then after that, it shows you this part is the output for the both motors. This is the right motor, this is the left motor. So as you can see, in order to make the ball into the center of the screen, the motors, if the ball moves forward, the car should have to move forward. And then if it moves to the left, the right motor should move forward in order to turn itself, and then always centralize the object. The hardware of the car, the hardware of this robot would look like this. It has the camera, the battery pack, FPGA, and the battery to power this FPGA all on board. And then when you actually make the this car follow the object, we can take off this VGA and run with just itself. So now we have the car and away from the VGA and the object. So I can show you how it would follow the object. This is the desired distance, so this car would try to keep its distance and move accordingly. Oops. Yeah. So the challenge is that the angle of the screen, the camera is pretty small, so if it goes out of the screen too fast, it would not be able to follow correctly.